For centuries, Neanderthals have been painted as brutish, primitive beings. Yet, recent discoveries challenge this notion. What if the Neanderthals were not the dim-witted brutes we once thought? The truth is stranger, and far more fascinating, than we ever imagined. Imagine a world where the Neanderthals were not just surviving but thriving, crafting intricate tools, engaging in complex social structures, and possibly even possessing a form of spirituality. This is not a story of distant past but a revelation that rewrites history. Today, we embark on a journey to uncover the untold story of Neanderthal intelligence. As we peel back the layers of time, we will encounter groundbreaking archaeological finds, cutting-edge scientific research, and expert opinions that challenge our preconceived notions. From the depths of the earth to the heights of academic discourse, we will explore the evidence that suggests Neanderthals were not just our distant cousins but also our intellectual equals. This is the story of Neanderthals, not as the brutes of popular imagination, but as sophisticated beings with a rich cultural and cognitive life. Join us as we delve into the evidence that proves Neanderthals were far from stupid. This is a tale of rediscovery, a journey into the heart of our own origins. The story of Neanderthals begins over 400,000 years ago, when these robust hominins first appeared in Europe. For millennia, they roamed the vast landscapes, adapting to the harsh climates and diverse ecosystems. Yet, for much of history, Neanderthals have been relegated to the shadows, dismissed as the less evolved cousins of modern humans. But as we stand on the precipice of a new understanding, the narrative is changing. Recent archaeological discoveries and scientific advancements are painting a very different picture. Neanderthals were not just surviving, they were thriving, innovating, and evolving in ways we are only beginning to comprehend. Imagine a time when the Neanderthals walked the earth, a time when they hunted mammoths, crafted intricate tools, and possibly even communicated through language. This was a world where Neanderthals were not just living but flourishing, a world that was as complex and vibrant as our own. But how did we arrive at this point of understanding? The journey began with the discovery of Neanderthal remains, artifacts, and sites that hinted at a more sophisticated existence. From the Shanidar Cave in Iraq to the El Sidran Cave in Spain, each discovery added a piece to the puzzle, slowly revealing a picture of a being far more advanced than previously thought. The event that sparked this new understanding was the discovery of the Shanidar Cave in 1957. Deep within the Zagros Mountains of Iraq, this cave became a treasure trove of Neanderthal remains and artifacts. Among the most significant finds were the remains of Shanidar I, a Neanderthal man who appeared to have suffered a severe injury during his lifetime. The way his bones were arranged, along with the presence of flower pollen, suggested that he may have been cared for by his community, hinting at a level of social organization and empathy previously unseen in Neanderthals. But the story of Shanidar I was just the beginning. Further excavations in the cave revealed a wealth of artifacts, including stone tools, animal bones, and even possible burial sites. These finds suggested that Neanderthals were not just scavengers but skilled hunters and gatherers, capable of complex social interactions. The tools found in the cave were not only functional but also showed signs of wear and tear that indicated repeated use, suggesting a level of craftsmanship and resourcefulness. The presence of animal bones with cut marks and the arrangement of the remains indicated that Neanderthals may have practiced some form of ritual or burial, further complicating the picture of their social and cultural lives. As we move forward in time, we find more evidence that challenges the old narrative. In the El Sidran Cave in Spain, a group of Neanderthals was discovered in 2013. The cave contained the remains of at least 12 individuals, along with a wealth of artifacts and evidence of their daily lives. The analysis of the bones revealed that these Neanderthals suffered from a variety of ailments, including arthritis and fractures, yet they lived long enough to heal, suggesting that they were cared for by their community. The artifacts found in the cave included tools, animal bones, and even possible musical instruments, hinting at a rich cultural life. The investigation into Neanderthal intelligence has been a collaborative effort, involving archaeologists, anthropologists, and geneticists. Each new discovery has added to the growing body of evidence that suggests Neanderthals were not just surviving but thriving. The analysis of Neanderthal DNA has revealed that they had a complex genome, capable of advanced cognitive functions. Studies have shown that Neanderthals had genes associated with language, memory, and even empathy, suggesting that they were capable of complex thought and social interaction. The discovery of Neanderthal art, such as the possible engravings found in the Gorham's Cave in Gibraltar, further supports the idea that they had a rich cultural life. Experts in the field have been quick to point out that Neanderthals were not just living in the moment but were also capable of planning for the future. The tools they crafted were not just functional but also showed signs of innovation and adaptation. The discovery of the so-called Neanderthal flute in the Divya Babe cave in Slovenia has sparked debate about their potential for symbolic thought and communication. While some experts argue that the flute is a natural artifact, others believe it was intentionally crafted, suggesting that Neanderthals may have had a form of musical expression. As we conclude our journey into the world of Neanderthal intelligence, it is clear that the old narrative is no longer tenable. The evidence suggests that Neanderthals were not just surviving but thriving, engaging in complex social structures, and possibly even possessing a form of spirituality. The discoveries at Shanidar, El Sidron, and other sites have painted a picture of a being far more advanced than previously thought. Neanderthals were not just our distant cousins but also our intellectual equals, capable of advanced thought, social interaction, and cultural expression. As we stand on the precipice of a new understanding, it is important to remember that the story of Neanderthals is not just a story of the past. It is a story of rediscovery, a journey into the heart of our own origins. The evidence suggests that Neanderthals were not just surviving but thriving, engaging in complex social structures, and possibly even possessing a form of spirituality. As we continue to uncover the truth about these fascinating beings, we are not just rewriting history but also redefining our understanding of what it means to be human. So, if you enjoyed this journey into the world of Neanderthal intelligence, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. There's so much more to discover, and we can't wait to share it with you.